This is how you connect your PS4 controllers to play game on your PC. So first thing, you have to download that app called DS for Windows. So you just go and Google DS for Windows, and the first link you download it. So once you download the game, you'll also need to download runtime for Microsoft runtime, which is 8 point something. But once you download this tool, DS for Windows, it will direct you, then it will give you the link to download that runtime. So you just download by pressing here, and then you have to use either a cable or a Bluetooth. For Bluetooth, you make sure your computer is capable of holding Bluetooth, or you can just use a Bluetooth dongle. For me, I'm using a PC, so it's already have a Bluetooth. So you can see here is my wireless controller. So all I have to do is turn it on by pressing this P button and share. So when you press that, it will connect automatically because I've already done that. It will blink, and then once it connects, it will stop blinking, just like that. So also you need an app called Steam, which it will be enable you to connect your controllers to the game. So you just have to open Steam. So make sure you have a Steam account, and by there it will be easier for you, because without Steam account you cannot play games, you cannot enter into a Steam. So on the Steam, you can see there is an option to add game. So you can just go there and add non-Steam game. So most of the game will be here automatically, but if there is a game you need to browse because you don't see here, you just go to browse and go to where the game is. You can see mine is a GTA 5 launcher. So you just use launcher. Make sure you don't use GTA 5, play GTA 5 or GTA 5. Make sure you use a launcher. And for me, you can see I already have games. When I go to library, you can see I have Call of Duty 2, I have Haley, I have Need for Speed 13. Then you can see I have Assassin's Creed 13. Then I have play GTA 5. So those are the games that I mostly play using controller. So let's say, example, you have to play Assassin's Creed 3. So just go to play, and it will launch it automatically when you press play.